Cakewalk 9 Overview. Cakewalk version 9 is the most powerful release yet of Cakewalk software with many new features and enhancements. Let's take a look at the main areas of Cakewalk 9. The track view is where your audio and MIDI information is displayed. On the right side of the track view is the clips pane. Clips contain a visual representation of the audio and MIDI data. On the left side of the track view is the track pane. The track pane contains vital information about each track. Let's take a look at track 1 of the song. You'll notice that we can set the track's volume, pan, velocity, and many other parameters. You can also see that there are mute, solo, and record buttons for each track. Cakewalk supports multiple documents within one session. You can have several projects open with only one of them active. You can even copy and paste events between open projects. Toolbars can be docked and undocked, and their positions are saved. You can configure Cakewalk to work the way you want to work. Cakewalk supports real-time audio and MIDI effects. Effects can be used non-destructively in real time or destructively as offline commands. New to Cakewalk version 9 is the ability to patch real-time MIDI and audio effects directly from the track view. Pro Audio 9 includes 3 new plugins. The Style Enhancer Light MIDI plugin, which uses performance modeling to humanize MIDI tracks. The Session Drummer, which lets you quickly create complete drum tracks. And the AmpSim Light Audio plugin, which simulates various popular amplifiers. The console view is where the levels and other settings for your audio and MIDI tracks are mixed. Both audio and MIDI effects can be patched to run in real time, mixes can be automated, or you can choose where your audio will be routed via the Auxiliary Send section. Adding effects to a track is as easy as right-clicking your mouse. You can even add effects to the Master section. This is very useful for song mastering and CD preparation. Pro Audio 9 supports 24-bit audio as well as sampling rates up to 96 kHz. This will provide the best possible audio quality available in any audio program and prepares you for future audio standards. Cakewalk's new WavePipe technology gives you ultra-low latency when mixing and adjusting real-time effects parameters. WavePipe works with your existing Wave drivers. There's no need for any proprietary drivers to benefit from WavePipe. Pro Audio 9 also supports the AudioX Open Standard for controlling advanced features on audio hardware. The audio view lets you perform very detailed audio editing all the way down to sample level accuracy. New to Cakewalk 9 is the support of true interleave stereo tracks. This makes playback and mixing of stereo data more efficient than ever. You can even mix and match mono and stereo audio in the same track. Cakewalk supports vector-based automation for volume and pan of audio events. You can create envelopes of any shape by using a wide variety of lines and curves. You can also specify an anchor point for each audio event, which will be used when dragging events, quantizing, and so on. Cakewalk has many flexible zoom features, such as lasso zooming, zoom faders, and keyboard support for zooming. There are also new CPU and disk meters to let you monitor system resources. This is very helpful when determining how many audio tracks and real-time effects can be added. The piano roll view allows you to edit MIDI data in a piano roll interface like those in the old player pianos. New to version 9 is the ability to display and edit multiple tracks simultaneously. On the right-hand side is the track list pane, which lets you specify the tracks you'd like to display and select. At the bottom is the controllers pane, which contains the controller data of all displayed tracks. Notes and controllers can be manipulated within the piano roll view. They can be entered, edited, moved, or deleted. You can display your MIDI tracks as notation information. Any of the Cakewalk sequencers will print your notation complete with lyrics, guitar chord grids, and expression markings that you choose to add. Pro Audio 9 now supports guitar tablature and a guitar fretboard pane. Guitar tablature can even be exported to ASCII tab, a popular format for sharing tablature on the internet. If you have a drum track, you can also print and view it as percussion notation. Cakewalk will print up to 24 staves per page. You can zoom in and out on your notation data, choose different fonts for text, and scale them. The Event List view lets you see all events in list form, and you can use the display filter to visually filter out specific event types. The StudioWare view is used to control external pieces of MIDI gear within your studio. Cakewalk 9 ships with a number of StudioWare panels, and there are more available at our website. By using Pro Audio's StudioWare design mode, you can build panels yourself to control virtually any MIDI-capable device. The video view is used for playing back AVI, MPEG, and QuickTime video files. Cakewalk supports frame-accurate synchronization of video to your MIDI and audio tracks. You can even save audio tracks back into a new AVI file by using the Tools, Export Video to AVI command. When you are finished with a project, you can choose to publish it on the internet. Cakewalk version 9 supports export to standard WAV files, Real System G2, Windows Media Advanced Streaming Format, and MP3. All of these features and many more allow you to use Cakewalk to create and edit your music in a fast and intuitive environment.